Hi there. I just made homemade mufflers for both me and my dad's ATVs. So my dad's Honda Rancher, we put a chocolate milk bottle on it, and I add a little flapper on it. And you may notice that when I'm revving it, the tape was supposed to hold it. Then the tape came loose and it just went open. So you might hear that when I'm revving it. I named this one the chocolate muffler. Then my Chinese ATV, 125cc, I added a sparkling water can onto it. And it's really cool sounding. It's really loud. So I named this one the Sparkle and Pop.